Make money when you sleep? That's passive income. Let's dive in idea number 1. Rental properties. Buy a property and rent it out. You earn money from the rent payments. You manage the property or hire someone to do it for you. It requires an upfront investment but can provide steady income over time. Idea number 2, stock dividends. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Listed companies pay you a portion of their profits. You need to own the stock to receive dividends. It's a way to earn income while holding the stocks. Idea number 3, bonds. Buy bonds to lend money to governments or companies. They pay you interest. It's a safer investment compared to stocks that we just mentioned. Bonds have fixed terms, for example, 1 year, 3 years, 10 years, and when the day comes, they pay back the principal to you. Idea number 4, real estate crowdfunding. It's a little bit different from rental properties that I just mentioned. Real estate crowdfunding is like you invest in property projects online with other people. Platforms pool money from many investors. You earn returns based on property performance. It requires less money than buying properties outright. Number 5, REITs. REITs is for real estate investment trusts. These trusts or companies, they own and manage properties. You earn dividends from rental income. REITs are traded on stock exchanges, making them very easy to buy and sell. We mentioned rental property, real estate crowdfunding, and REITs. I'd say REITs is the most accessible one for you. Number 6, peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to individuals or small businesses online. Platforms match lenders with borrowers. You earn interest on the loans. It's a higher risk, but can offer higher returns. Idea number 7, high-yield savings account. You put your money in a bank's account with high interest. It's a safe place to store cash. You earn some interest than a regular savings account, but you may need to pay a penalty if you get the money out earlier than the fixed term. Idea number 8 is certificates of deposit. It's also called CDs. It's mainly in the US, or it's the US way to call it. It's very similar to that you invest in fixed-term bank deposits. Banks pay you interest for keeping money for a set period. It's a low-risk investment. CDs have different terms, few months to years. Idea number 9 is robo-advisors. Use automated services to invest your money. They use algorithms to manage your investments. It's like a hands-off way to invest. Robo-advisors usually have lower fees than the fees for an investment portfolio that is managed by a professional, by a human being. Idea number 10 is index funds. Invest in a fund that tracks a market index. It's a way to diversify your investments. Index funds usually have lower fees. They aim to match the performance of the market. When the overall market goes up, your index funds goes up. When the overall market goes down, your index funds goes down. Idea number 11 is mutual funds. They pool money with other investors to buy a diverse range of stocks or bonds or both. It's managed by professional fund managers. You earn returns based on the fund's performance. There are just thousands of mutual funds in market. Be selective. Idea number 12 is annuities. Annuities are insurance product. Basically, is you buy insurance products that pay regular income. You pay a lump sum or a series of payments. In return, you receive steady income, usually for life. It provides financial security. Passive income idea number 13, royalties from creative work. You earn money from music or art. You create work once and get paid whenever it's used or sold. It's a way to earn long-term income from your creativity. Number 14 is online course. Create and sell course on platforms like Udemy. You make the course once and earn money every time someone buys it. It's a way to share your knowledge and skills, and you don't need to be a professor. Number 15 is ebooks. You write and sell digital books, publish them on platforms like Amazon. You earn money every time someone buys your book. It's a way to earn income from writing. Idea number 6 is blogging. You start a blog and earn money through ads, advertisement, and affiliate links. I'll explain what is affiliate links later. Create content that attracts readers. The more traffic your blog gets, the more you can earn. It takes time to build an audience though. Number 17, YouTube channel. Create and upload videos. Earn money from ads and sponsorships. The more views and subscribers you have, the more you can earn. It's a way to share your interests and skills, and you don't have to be shown on camera if you don't want to. Number 18 is podcasting. Start a podcast and get sponsors. Create episodes on topics you're passionate about. Earn money from ads and sponsorships. It takes time to build a listener base, but it's worth it. Number 19 is affiliate marketing. We just mentioned affiliate links, right? Yes. What is affiliate marketing? It's like to promote products online for a commission. You earn money when someone buys through your link. Use a blog, social media, or email marketing. It's a way to earn income without owning the products. Idea number 20, drop shipping. Sell products online without holding inventory. A supplier ships products directly to customers. You handle just the marketing and sales. It's a way to run an online store with less risk. YouTube has tons of education content teaching you how to do drop shipping. Just put it on the YouTube search bar and you can find a lot of content, trust me. Before we move on, I just wanted to say so far, if you found this video helpful, all I ask from you is to subscribe to this channel, like this video, it will help me a lot and you will not miss any upcoming content like this. Passive income idea number 21, print on demand. You can create and sell custom designs on merchandise. Use platforms like Teespring or Redbubble. They handle production and shipping. You earn a profit on each sale. If you like graphic design or art, it's really worth a try. Number 22, mobile apps. Develop and sell apps. You can earn money from app sales, ads, or in-app purchase. It requires technical skills to create an app. Once it's made, it can generate passive income. If you have great ideas but don't know how to do software developing by yourself, you can actually hire a programmer on those freelancing websites, such as Fiverr. Number 23, website flipping. You can buy, improve, and sell websites. Find undervalued sites, enhance them, and sell them for a profit. It requires some web development and marketing skills, but again, it's worth it. Number 24, domain name investing. You can buy and sell domain names, purchase valuable or popular domain names, sell them later at a higher price. It's like real estate, but online. Idea number 25, vending machines. You can place machines in busy areas and collect income. You can earn basically money from the sales. It requires an upfront investment in those vending machines and stocking them. Number 26 is laundromat. You can actually own and operate a coin laundry business. Customers, they pay to use the washing machines and dryers. It's like a hands-off business that provides steady income. Number 27, ATM ownership. You can actually place ATMs in various locations. You earn a fee from each transaction. It's a way to generate income from people's need for cash. 28, parking spaces. You can actually rent out parking spots. If you have extra parking space, rent it out to others. It's a way to make money with minimum effort, right? Idea number 29 is car rental. It's similar. Rent your car to others. Use platforms like Turo to find renters. It's a way to earn money when you are not using your car. Idea number 30, self-storage units. You can actually invest in storage rental units. People pay to store their belongings. It's a way to earn steady income from real estate. In busy places or in busy cities, it really has a high demand for storage. Idea number 31, licensing photos. You can actually sell your photos online. You can use platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Earn income every time someone buys your photos. Passive income idea 32, sell digital products. You can actually create and sell templates, graphics, or software. Use platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. It's a way to earn income from your skills. Idea number 33, membership size. You can actually charge for exclusive content access, create a site with valuable information or services. Members pay a monthly or yearly fee. Idea number 34, online marketplaces. You can actually sell handmade goods such as jewelry and home decoration on platforms like Etsy. Create unique products and sell them online. It's a way to turn a hobby into income. Idea number 35, flipping products. You can actually buy items and sell them at a higher price. Find bargain at the thrift stores or online and resell them for a profit. Quite similar to what I just mentioned, website flipping, right? Idea number 36 is digital advertising. You can actually place ads on your website or app. You can earn money from clicks or impression. It's a way to monetize your online presence. Number 37 is cashback credit cards. You can actually use cards that pay you back for spending. You can earn a percentage of your purchases as cashback. It's a very simple way to save money on everyday expenses. Do some research on the credit card providers in your place, and small savings can add up to a huge amount of money over time. And number 38 is license your music. You can actually get paid when others use your music. License your songs for commercials or movies or videos is a way to earn money from your musical talent. Number 39 is rent out equipment. You can actually rent out tools, cameras, or other equipment. Use platforms like Fat Llama. Earn money from items you own but rarely use. Number 40 is invest in farmland. You can actually buy farmland and lease it. Farmers pay to use your land. It's a way to earn income from agriculture property. Idea number 41, you can actually buy a business. Purchase an existing business. You earn money from the business operations. It requires management skills and investment. Number 42 is to invest in startups. Quite similar, use platforms to invest in new companies. You can earn returns if the startup grows. It's a high-risk investment but can offer higher rewards. Idea number 43 is franchising. You can actually own a franchise of a well-known brand. You run the business, but the brand is already established. It's a way to start a business with support. Number 44 is patent royalties. You can actually earn from inventions you patent. License your patents to companies. They pay you royalties for using your inventions. Number 45, sell stock footage. You can record and sell video clips. Use platforms like Shutterstock or Pond5. Filmmakers and advertisers, they buy your footage, earning you money. Number 46, create a subscription newsletter. You can actually write valuable content and charge a subscription fee. Use platforms like Substack. Subscribers pay monthly for your insights. Number 47 is develop a SaaS product. SaaS is short for software as a service. Charge users a monthly fee. It's a kind of like a recurring income model for software subscriptions. You can see currently all those, tools and apps, they all go into this SaaS direction for recurring and predictable income. Number 48 is to develop a mobile game. You can actually create a mobile game and monetize it with ads or in-app purchases. It requires initial development but can generate ongoing income as players spend money. Again, you don't need to develop everything by yourself. If you have a good idea, for example, you can also hire someone, hire some programmers to help you out. Number 49 is host webinars and online workshops. Create and sell access to webinars or online workshops, and these can be recorded and sold as evergreen content, providing ongoing sales from a single event. The next idea is to create and sell VR experiences. You can actually develop virtual reality experiences or games and sell them on platforms like Oculus Store. As VR technology grows, there's increasing demand for high-quality VR content. If you like this video, you're going to like my videos on how I personally made my first million USD by 31 and my top 5 pick passive income ideas and explain in details. Like, subscribe, and click on the screen. I will see you in the next video.